Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Lavanya and you're watching Techie Talk. So today in our channel we are going to see most demanded programming language with multiple openings, and also if you know this programming language you will have ample of career opportunities. So you can say that it is like one programming language is equal to multiple career options. So, in this video, I'm going to share about these details only. That is, so in this video, I'm going to share about the programming language and also its huge demand in the current market, along with the career options you can choose if you know this programming language. Before that, if you're watching Techie Talk for the first time and if you haven't subscribed Techie Talk yet, make sure you subscribe to the channel without fail for more interesting contents. And also if you have liked this content and if it was useful to you, make sure you hit a like for further reach. And if you feel that this information will be helpful for your fellow friends, make sure you share it with your friends as well. So now let's get into the topic. What is that programming language which is having more huge demand in the IT market? The programming language which I'm going to share is a evergreen programming language. So if you take from 30 years, this programming languages exist, and also its demand is same in the market. And most of the applications like web applications, mobile applications, and also API gateways and standalone applications, most of the applications are designed based on this programming language. So what is that programming language? So it is none other than Java. So if you know Java, that one skill is enough for you to get an IT job in the market. Though you have career gap or you haven't got job for many years after your education, if you are well thorough and skilled in this Java programming language, you will be easily able to crack an interview and also get a job. And this Java is an evergreen programming language since from 30 years applications are being designed, and also applications are developed based on this programming language, based on this Java programming language. So now coming to market demand, there are ample of candidates available for Java programming language. Similarly, there is also openings equally for this Java programming language, because most of the applications, if you take out of 100, 90% of applications are being developed on this Java only. This Java programming language openings are like in a company for a project to work on, in a team, say to work on a support or a development, for sure around 50 to 60 members are required on this programming language itself if an application is being developed on this Java. So what I'm trying to say is, if you are a member who is having long career gap and also you have tried or upskilled in various other languages but didn't get a job, if you learn this Java and if you try seriously, you will be able to land up in a job in another 2 months. Now I'm going to share what are the career options you will be able to choose if you know this Java programming language. So if you know this one Java programming, you will be able to choose multiple career options. Like for example, first one I would say is you can choose a career option as Java developer. So based on this Java programming, you can choose multiple career options based on your interest. So this Java lies a base for you, and based on that you have various options and also openings to choose your career path. So it's totally depends which career path to choose, and is on your interest only. So first one I would say is, as everyone knows, whoever knows Java, basically most of them opt to do for Java developer or a backend developer. So out of this, there are few other different jobs and career paths to choose based on this Java program if you know. It totally depends on your dream, and also it totally depends on your interest to choose it or not. Few people opt that I know Java, why can't I go to Java developer? So few choose the Java developer path. But few people will have some goals, and also few people will have some dreams, that is apart from Java I have to do something else, I have to have some additional skills, so I wanted to go to into these career paths. So they will choose differently, but their base lies for Java only. So I'm going to share such career options only now. Second one which I'm going to share is, apart from this, few other are, you can become a Java full stack developer. So what is this full stack developer is, few people will be interested only in backend development or only on Java. They are not interested to learn JavaScript or JSP or any front end technology. They stick their roles to be only towards the backend development only. But few people will be interested on front end technologies also, like Angular, HTML, CSS, and React. So if they have Java, if they know Java, apart from that they can enhance their skills on these front end technologies and they can become a full stack developer. You can become a full stack developer easily. So here in full stack developer, you will be the sole responsibility to take care of the application from the front end to the back end, from the URL request to the submit of the application, you can say in a easy terms. So in this the additional features are the front end technology. So what happens is, the person who knows Java plus front end technology, they can choose after certain moment, they can opt either being a complete backend developer or a front end developer, or they can be a full stack developer. So three career options are available for a person who knows front end technology plus also a backend technology. So this is a multi option, right? So you can become an full stack developer if you know Java as a base also. Now coming to the next option is, you have started your career with manual testing, and later on, once gaining of 1 to 3 years of experience, if you have learned some Java, you can easily become an automation tester. In this automation testing, the scripts are written completely on Selenium. So you can learn Selenium if you know thoroughly Java very easily. If you know Java well, you can write scripts very easily using Selenium. So the third option you can become if you know Java is an automation tester. So the next option is, if you know Java, you can become a Salesforce developer also, because the Salesforce development is completely based out of Java only. So if you know Java, you can choose your career path in one of the most demanded career option, that is in the Salesforce. Coming to the next option is, you can become a Hadoop development, because a Hadoop developer basic is Java only. So if you know Java, you can become an Hadoop engineer in any Spark, Hive or any other Hadoop platform easily. So these are the few options you can opt if you know Java as a base programming language. So guys, whoever is trying out for a job and also are doing any course, I hope if you learn Java, you can opt for these positions. You can choose any one of the job roles in the listed today's video. So guys, I hope you have got some information in this video and it was useful to you. If you feel that it was useful, make sure you hit like and also subscribe to Techie Talk Without Fail. See you with another interesting topic. Until then, bye.